That's it! You all saw it! President Quark felled the mighty beast!
Someone want to get that in the crowd breather and oxygen mask? I'm not gonna carry him if he passes out.
Ratchet? Ratchet?
Yeah, pal?
I believe I may have found something.
Hollow Diary, entry 005. They came during the night. Hundreds of them. And they attacked without warning. I stood atop Zuzo Fields and watched in horror as Commander Smog and his armies lay waste to Uzo City. Through ribbons of fire, I saw my creation, bloated and terrible, a deadly moon hanging silently amongst the destruction. Ephemeris. What plans does my enemy have for this ark? I can't explain it, but I feel as if some dark fate haunts us all from the future. And Ephemeris is the key. These things will not stop with madness. We are simply the first steps. And I, Dr. Frumpus Croyd, cannot shake the feeling that it was my work that made it possible.
I have a bad feeling about this. We must find Commander Spog at once. But if you tell us how to defeat Ephemeris, I believe I know someone who can fix you.
Well, I don't like to brag, but I did modify my crotchetizer with a special vibrating function I call the Happy Platypus.
Okay.
Beg your pardon, Quark, but I was referring to him.
Are you insane?
If I may, being evil has not worked out well for you these last few years. Perhaps using your intelligence for good will yield better results.
All right, fine. But speak of this to no one.
Alright, Spock. We did our part. Now how do we defeat Ephemeris?
Only the Architect knows. He lives beyond the lighthouse, in the forest of the Blue Rocks.
You did the right thing, Doctor.
Get